1. What is the fund investment strategy and selection criteria? The first question to ask a real estate fund manager is about their investment strategy. How do they go about selecting properties to invest in? And what criteria do they use to determine if a property is a good investment? It's important to understand the types of properties the fund invests in, such as commercial, residential, or mixed-use properties, and whether the fund focuses on a specific geographic region. 2. What is the fund's track record and past performance? Past performance is not always an indicator of future success, but it can give you a good idea of the fund manager's experience and the fund's historical performance. Ask for the fund's total return, any distributions paid to investors, and if the fund has ever experienced any losses and how they were addressed. 3. What is the fund's risk and return profile? Real estate investing can be riskier than traditional investments like stocks and bonds, so it's important to understand the risks associated with the fund. Ask the fund manager about the fund's risk profile, including any potential risks associated with the properties, the economic environment, and the fund's management team. It's also important to understand the fund's return profile and what you can expect in terms of returns on your investment, such as the projected internal rate of return IRR, net asset value NAV, and any distributions. 4. How is the fund managed and what is the role of the fund manager? It's important to understand the fund manager's role in the investment process and how they are compensated. Ask about their experience and qualifications, as well as their management approach and the processes they use to make investment decisions. You may also want to ask about the fund manager's investment style, such as whether they take an active or passive approach, and how they make decisions regarding buying, selling, or holding properties. 5. What are the fees associated with investing in the fund? Before investing, it's important to understand the fees associated with the fund, including any upfront fees, ongoing management fees, and performance-based fees. Ask the fund manager to explain all the fees in detail and how they will impact your returns. It's also important to understand any additional expenses that may be incurred, such as property taxes, insurance, and maintenance costs. 6. What is the fund's exit strategy? Finally, it's important to understand the fund's exit strategy or how the fund plans to liquidate its assets and return capital to investors. Ask the fund manager about their plans for disposing of properties and how they plan to distribute profits to investors. Understanding the exit strategy can help you plan for the long term and make an informed decision about your investment. In conclusion, investing in a real estate fund can offer a great opportunity to diversify your portfolio and potentially earn higher returns while enjoying the benefits of professional management and optimized tax strategies.